Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on October 28. The dedication of the Statue of Liberty 1886. On October 28, 1886, President Grover Cleveland officially dedicated the Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor. This grand statue was a gift from France to the United States, symbolizing friendship, freedom, and hope. As immigrants arrived in America, the sight of the statue became a sign of new beginnings and dreams. Over time, it became one of the world's most famous landmarks and a lasting reminder of liberty and the welcoming spirit of America. The founding of Harvard University 1636. On October 28, 1636, the Massachusetts colonial government approved the creation of Harvard University in Cambridge. It became the first college in the American colonies and was named after John Harvard, who donated books and money to support it. Over the centuries, Harvard grew into one of the most respected universities in the world, producing great thinkers and leaders. Its founding showed how important education and learning were to early settlers. The passage of the Volstead Act 1919. On October 28, 1919, the U.S. Congress passed the Volstead Act after overriding President Woodrow Wilson's veto. This law was designed to enforce Prohibition, a nationwide ban on making and selling alcohol. It aimed to improve moral values but instead led to illegal bars, bootlegging, and organized crime. The Volstead Act changed American life for over a decade and remains one of the most debated laws in U.S. history. The establishment of Czechoslovakia 1918. On October 28, 1918, as World War I ended, Czech leaders in Prague declared independence from the Austro-Hungarian Empire. This created the new nation of Czechoslovakia, uniting Bohemia, Moravia, and Slovakia into one republic. People celebrated with pride after centuries of foreign rule, marking a symbol of freedom and unity in Central Europe. October 28 is still remembered as Czechoslovak Independence Day. The March on Rome and Rise of Fascism in Italy 1922. On October 28, 1922, Benito Mussolini and his followers, called the Blackshirts, began their march on Rome. The show of force convinced King Victor Emmanuel III to make Mussolini prime minister, ending Italy's democracy. This event began decades of fascist rule and showed how powerful movements could change a nation overnight, marking a turning point in European history. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.